Well, hello everyone. I'm Helene and welcome. Come on in. This is Cabin Fever Crochet. I'm so happy to have you here. And that's right, I'm doing another giveaway so soon. I thought, why not? A lot of us, most of us, are spending more time at home, and maybe some of you that are home a lot anyway, even more than usual. I know that I am, and I have been. So I've been going through my stash and my inventory. I typically do one of our local spring and summer farmers and art markets, which is starting already, opening on May 8th. To my surprise, but they are considered essential because of all the produce, fruits, vegetables, and other similar type items that they sell, the baked goods, so forth. But as far as my things go, I have some concern about it along with my own self, so I have no plans to return just yet, at least not in the immediate future. I'm going to just kind of sit tight a little and wait, see how things go, and just work more on my online sales for now. But I've been pulling some things because I just want to share with you just a little bit of life's simple pleasures, and I have a pretty good stash. So today I am pulling out a shawl, and it's a big one. It's a triangular shawl, and I made that over a year ago. This is not one of my own. It's a free pattern. I will leave the link below for that. So if you are more of a petite person, then this could even be more like a wrap that you can really engulf yourself in. Why I'm calling it my Healing HUGS giveaway shawl, okay? And even if you're on a cool, like summer night or sitting on a blanket or outside, it's big enough to where you can really wrap yourself in it, and will fit a variety of sizes too. And it is well beyond my wingspan. It is 83 inches in width. I'm sorry I did not do the metric conversion on that. You're welcome to look that up. And it's 37 inches from the top down to the bottom point. It is made in Premier Yarns DK colors in the colorway Teacup. Beautiful shades of gray, white, and lavender, with a lovely border on there. I really enjoyed working it up. It's about a 10 or 11 row repeat, but it was easy, and surprisingly, as big as it is, it worked up quickly, and you don't have to make it this big at all. So I decided that I would like to see this go to a really good home, and less for me to store here. So what I'm going to do is put my shawl back on, because the sun's going down and I'm getting chilly. It's already dipped behind the trees, although I can see it on the mountains over there behind us. And this is the Willow Camino scarf, shawl, shawlette, or wrap. In case you haven't watched that video, or if you did and saw the beginning but didn't see the end, you missed this nice little surprise. My finished shawl, again in the Premier DK colors. Can you tell I love this yarn? And it is just unbelievably soft and cushy, and it just, to me, it just so comforting and feels like a hug. And after I finished the video, what I actually did was I took apart the last few rows, and because I had yarn left, I thought might as well use it, and I extended with another sequence just like I show you in the video to make it even that much, a little bit longer. So if you haven't watched the video, you want to check it out, I'll leave the link for that below also. So I want to ask, what do you think of my wild pants? Which I will show at the end of the video. I'll just do a little mini modeling for you. But anyway, I just wanted to say I'm going to gift this to one person. So the rules are the same as always. The full rules will be in the description Please agree to them in the comments section. One thing is, I'm very sorry to say this giveaway can only be open to those within the United States due to the current pandemic and the international mail restrictions. But please still leave a comment if you would like to. Just leave out the keyword because I love hearing from each and every one of you. So the main things are, besides all of that, you need to be a subscriber to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment with keywords that I'm going to give you. There's a wild turkey. Shh, wild turkey. I think they're getting used to my voice. All right, so as far as the keywords go, that would be hugs. Let's just say hugs. Okay, well, if you want to see my wild pants, which I think they're just more fun and spring-like, then I will see you right over there down the runway. Okay, you're not going to get the whole of me because it really is getting chilly out here, but I just wanted to show these to you real quick. What do you think? I think they're really fun. Woohoo! I like them so much. They are so comfortable. They're soft. Elastic waist, flat waist too, which is nice. Pockets that are forward rather than on the seam, which tend to accentuate the hips, and I don't need any help in that area myself. But anyway, here we go. Very comfortable. I have another pair in an olive green with a little bit of the rose color too. Great find. I got them on QVC.com. I think they're on clearance or lunchtime special or something. I had free shipping that day. So I'm thrilled because I've needed some for a couple of years. Woo! Look at me. I'm all multi-layered, bundled up here. Okay, my beautiful YouTube friends, come back again. Take care, everyone. And I will see you soon.